your guide to a U.S. physical therapy career. This guide breaks down the exact steps to land a high-paying job with visa sponsorship. Physical therapists are in high demand in the USA, with salaries reaching $120,000 and multiple visa sponsorship opportunities available. Step 1 is credential evaluation. Submit your academic transcripts and degree for review, confirming your qualifications meet U.S. standards. Approved agencies like FCCPT or CGFNS will assess if your foreign education is equivalent to a U.S. physical therapy degree. Next, prepare for the National Physical Therapy Exam, or NPTE, a required step to practice as a PT in America. Register for the NPTE, ensuring you meet eligibility requirements, and select your preferred exam date and testing center. After passing the NPTE, you'll receive your official score report, an essential milestone in your U.S. PT journey. Apply for state licensure. Each U.S. state has specific requirements, so review your chosen state's process carefully. Submit your credentials and pass any additional state-mandated exams or background checks to obtain your state license. With your state license secured, search for U.S. employers who sponsor work visas specifically for physical therapists. Explore visa options. H-1B, EB-2, and TN visas are common pathways, each with specific eligibility criteria for physical therapists. Prepare for interviews with U.S. employers. Highlight your credentials and readiness to adapt to American healthcare systems. Once your visa is approved, make arrangements for your move. Celebrate taking a crucial step towards your new U.S. career. Begin your rewarding role as a U.S. physical therapist, helping patients and advancing your career in a supportive environment. Your dream of working as a PT in the USA is within reach. Take the next step on your professional journey today.